Actually, I'm coming from Dubai, but now I'm coming from Fujairah actually. In Dubai, there was no flight actually, so we have chartered flight from Fujairah. Actually, I had to come on last Saturday. Flight was cancelled, so after that I have booked this flight and I have came. Situation is actually UAE it's under control actually. There is not that much problems because they are diffusing air missiles in the air itself. So situation is controlled only. There will not be any. There is no need to fear for anything actually.
Like spreading in India.
No. Actually, it is under control in UAE. There is no that much panic situation in UAE as of now because everything is under control under their government actually.
So how was the support from the government?
It is too much good. Actually, the support from UAE government, it is very good and things are normal there as of now. It is not that much of a panic situation there at all.
So your flight is cancelled and
My flight was cancelled and I booked a chartered flight on yesterday from Fujairah and it came actually.
how was the flight experience?
So it was good, no problem.